Okay, so I'm just making sure you have the right screen, and you should. So this is how to check title in BC. So if you find a house and you're like, oh, that house looks like it could be vacant, or maybe it's a great deal. I want to find the owner of the house because maybe you want to contact them, see if they're interested in selling. What you want to do is go to BC Assessment. The link will be around here. bcassessment.ca, and you want to put in the address. So right now I have, this is 1685 Ufton Court, unit number 103, but you could do 7, let's call, yeah, that's a address. This house you want to look up. So another great thing about BC Assessment, but it's a little off topic, is that you can find out values of properties, and you can see when, how much it was worth the year before. You can see when it was last sold and how much for. And you can also go down here to, like, you can click on the property next door and view the details of it and look at its value and also its history. So it sold in 2023 for $870,000. It's now worth 1.91. Whoa, they got a good deal. That's fantastic. Good for them. So anyway, what you do is, the reason why you need this is because you need the legal land description or the property identifier. So I want to do a title search. So what you do is you go to LTSA.ca, and I'll put the link around here. I'm also going to put the link around here for BC Assessment. And you create an account in the LTSA. So you have to create an account. I've already created an account, so I'm going to go into mine. You have a username and a password, and I've already entered mine. But once you've created it, and it's free, they take you through this kind of rigmarole. I always skip it and go to my LTSA homepage. Yes, I'm happy to do that. And then this is why. So I want to check title on, let's say, this house that I have open in BC Assessment, and I want to see who owns it, because as you can see right here, it doesn't show who owns the property. But I can go into the property at the PID. I can copy it. I might be able to copy and paste it too. I'm going to see. And go into the search and search it up. Oh, look. So I can order a title. Okay. I can also order the plan. I can order the state of title if I want to. All right. And then continue. So just the simple title is $10.72. But if I want the state of title as well, it's an additional $16. I'll talk about that at another time. But really, actually, all I want is the title. So I paid $10, and then what'll happen is it'll send me a PDF of the whole title of the property that will list what kind of mortgage is on it, if there are any kind of caveats, if there's anything on there that is like a lawsuit. It's called a CPL. That's a certificate of pending litigation, and it'll also list the property owner. So sometimes a property owner is a corporation with like a PO box number, kind of hard to find, but you can still send them a letter. Hey, I'm interested in buying your house. Or sometimes it's a person, and sometimes the person, that's their address, or sometimes it's a person and they live in another town, which can tell you a lot. So there's just a lot of things that you can tell from title, but this is how you order title. All right. And then I'll do another little video on how to look at title. So I hope that was helpful. The links for BC Assessment and how to do a title search in British Columbia will be nearby, and I hope it helps you very much. So that is it. And we will see you next time. Take care. Bye.